Alright. New seals for the upper copper washer. For this one to replace. Snap ring. There's the original one. There's the new bushings I'm going to put on. So what else? New dust boot. Seal. There's the old spring compared to the new one. They look more beefier. Yeah, get that panel out. Protect the seal. Put that bitch on. I finally got that new bushing seated properly. I messed up the seals. They tell you to put the new bushing in the washer and seal. The best way to do it is grab the old old bushings, slide them in. Trying to do this one-hander. You grab that washer and pound them in first. And then you put the seals in. But buy new seals because it was pain in the dick. But yeah, this is a new pointer to put new bushings in. Nice and flush now. Alright, the new spring is too high with the stock spacers. I'll just cut these. I went 15 millimeters shorter than the stock ones and see how they fit. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, with the bike suspension, you can see how it's all choppy. I need new tires anyways. That's the reason why I rebuilt these. My old shit. Yeah, I just got back with the ride last night, dude. Within 5 minutes, this bike feels so much better. Got like a completely new bike. Telling my coworkers, it's like having a stock vehicle with stock suspension, then you switch over coilers. That's how my CBR feels like now with the upgraded forks. Man, this thing handles much better. And dude, I can hit the corners a little bit better than the factory springs.